DailyDAVers. So the week has started. My day is going excellent. We're here on the rooftop of our office. Over the weekend, I got some excellent numbers for the Dove Alliance. 15 new companies were added to the list. From those companies, we got 15 email addresses. So each company, we got a direct contact to them. Other than that, I managed to secure 11 new emails for existing companies in our list. John will outbound throughout the day when he wakes up, and that's about it. We'll let you know how it will unfold. Bye.
Hi guys. So today I started my day by releasing a new release for the mission control repo. You can check it out. There's a changelog in there. After that, I've received various CVs for our new posts. Some interesting people, and I'm going to contact them soon. And also, we have a new addition to our team, Anatoly, and he's going to introduce himself.
Hi everybody, I'm Anatoly, full-stack developer here at DailyDAV. This is my first day here, and I configured the work environment and started to run the system, and also I spent some time on understanding the issue with the scrolling on iPhone, and hopefully it will be fixed tomorrow.
Great news, and everyone wish best of luck for Anatoly, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I started the day with some more follow-up on the video ads with Joe, and then I did some more research for video quotes and lines from online reviews we got. Later I'm gonna sit with Noam on our 2 new big releases, which is the full AMA from our meetup and Noam's speech at Blockchain and Bitcoin conference at Bangkok. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna take some notes towards the final version, and then I'll edit the DailyDAV, and that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hey guys, so last week I worked with Alex, our web developer, on adding our GitHub contributors to our website, and we pushed it live already on Thursday. It looks really great. I also created wireframes for a new careers page that should go live soon, and Alex worked on it on the weekend. It's pretty much done. I just added a few more comments today. I'll probably go live tomorrow. Today is my birthday, and the team made me a nice surprise party with wine and popcorn and cake on the roof. And then I continued working on the ride-hailing research. Andrew worked really hard this weekend, so much to read and much to see today. I'm planning to have a quick meeting with Noam, also our CEO, as he came to Israel for today, but tomorrow he leaves again, so trying to catch up before he leaves. And this is it for today, guys. Thanks.
Hi everyone. At the end of last week, I was focused entirely on incoming emails. Today I will be doing some follow-up from the end of last week and also over the weekend, and completing some new agreements that we need to execute. So short and sweet today. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. So yesterday did a good amount of work with our legal team to make sure that the marketing, the communication, the messaging across really everything is in lockstep, and we're saying what we should be saying. Also did a good amount of work on some new videos, worked with Daniel on that, some new paid videos that we should be seeing across Facebook, Twitter, Google Network, highlighting some of the awesome accomplishments we've gotten regarding some of these ICO reviewers, these token sale reviewers, and then also some of the ratings we're getting from some people who are participating in the token sale. Today, the main focus is going to be working on updating ICO drops, and then besides that as well, also need to work on some interview questions. I'm interviewing some of our advisors next week here around the Bay Area, so going to do some work there as well, putting that together, and then also have to review a bunch of pieces. John sent over some stuff, so just a bunch of to-dos today, as typical. But that's it, everybody. Enjoy your weekend.